Do a little dance for me, all right? Here we go. Do a little dance. Yeah, yeah. Get that stanky leg out. Ooh, get that stanky leg out. Let's go. Let's go. Greetings, everyone. Gamestronaut here. Today, we are going to bow down to our robot overlords. Yes, today we are going to play games based on machine learning. You guys have seen all of the things that computers can do nowadays based on AI assistance. So now, I've discovered AI assisted games, which essentially mean machine learning, right? The simulations can go on for as long as you want. But every simulation that happens, the computer gathers data, it takes the best result and then applies it to the next simulation. And it keeps doing that, so on and so forth, until you tell it to stop. Long story short, what you hope for is to see if the computer can predict whatever it is that you want it to do. If it manages to meet that goal, you feed the computer rewards so it knows that it did a good job. And then the computer will basically analyze what it did to meet that goal best and try to recreate it and make it better every time. So that's why we are playing these games. So I managed to find machine learning games that do this kind of stuff. And some of these games managed to be made in the game engine that I'm using. So with that being said, let's get started. All right, so I gotta draw, so here's the topic. I gotta draw a hockey stick in under 20 seconds. Let's see if the computer can manage to guess it. All right, let's go. All right, how do you draw a hockey stick?
I see street light.
A street light.
Or leg.
Ooh, that's a terrible
Or baseball
hockey
bat.
stick. Nope, nope.
Or marker.
It's not a marker.
I see clarinet.
Oh my God, this is amazing.
Or boomerang.
Oh my God.
I see banana.
Artist
Or
that
string
can't
bean.
draw a hockey stick.
Or banana peel.
You got it.
Sorry,
that was
I
a
couldn't
user
guess it.
problem. All right, we'll try a dragon. All right, we'll give you a dragon.
I see knee. Or
I
zigzag.
see.
Or anvil. Or airplane. Or hand.
Oh my God! All right, we're gonna draw
I see
some
bow tie.
legs.
Oh, I know. It's dragon.
Let's go, baby. The computer's smart enough to guess. Let's go. Okay, a campfire. We're gonna do a little bit of logs here. Let me see if I can.
I see
draw some
line.
log. That's not a line.
Horseshoe.
These are logs.
Or frying
sir.
pan.
No, don't.
Or mouse.
don't. I'm trying to draw.
Or flip-flops.
Oh my!
I see
God.
computer mouse.
Stop it.
Or
All right,
camouflage.
here we go. This is it right
Oh,
here.
I know. It's campfire.
He knew. All right, a cannon. Okay, okay. All right, let's see. We're gonna do a circle.
I see circle.
And then,
Or mouse. Or comet.
And then let's do like a little
Or
base,
megaphone.
and then give it a little
Oh,
ball.
I know. It's cannon.
I didn't even finish. That was mad rude. All right, let's go. River. All right, so we're gonna do
I see
that.
ocean.
You,
Oh, I know. It's river.
I drew 2 lines. This computer's so good. I drew 2 lines, 2 terrible lines, and it immediately knew what the hell I was doing. All right, a pond. Challenge accepted.
I see
Boom.
squiggle. Oh, I know. It's pond.
That's amazing. Tell me, I literally drew nothing, and it knew pond. That's great. All right, we're gonna do it one more time. We're gonna do it one more time. You know what? Hold on. Meanwhile, while we play this game, we're gonna play another one at the same time so that you guys can see what the computer generation looks like. So you got a taste of what AI is, right? This is it right here. It's the computer guessing. All right. Now we're literally gonna go into something that you can visualize for machine learning. All right. So we're gonna play them both back and forth. So let's try the other one. This one's called Evolution, and it was made by someone named K1. Essentially what it is, right? You draw a joint, right? You know joints. You guys know joints. Come on. Elbow joint, finger joints, you know, the human body. How many joints does the human body have? 230. I'm not trying to draw 230 joints. That's too much. We're just gonna make up something new. All right. So here's what I imagine, right? All right, we're gonna start with like a head joint, maybe, right? Is that just one? Okay. We're gonna give it a weight. No, we're gonna give it a spine. So here's your little spine, right? Because you need spine for movement. And then we're gonna give it some knee. That's the waist, legs. All right, that's the kneecap. So we got the head, the spine, the waist, the kneecaps, and the foot. And then we're gonna give it a little middle tail, little third leg here to see what it does with it. All right, let's just move this around a little bit, and yeah, there we go. So then we need to add some bones, right, to make sure that all of these parts are connecting, right? I don't want any of these connecting to the middle one, because I want this one swinging. You feel me? I want this one swinging. This one need to assist the other two legs. All right, you're there to assist, and that's all you're there to do. All right, and then we're gonna add some muscles. All right, so we're gonna add a muscle here. I know you guys can't see it, but they go from bone to bone right here. All right, there's one muscle right there, one muscle right here, probably one between these two, and then one up to this joint. This is what I'm making. All right, so now we're gonna try and make this evolve. Right, here we go. So as you guys can see, this is perfect. This is perfect. You guys see in the background, those are all the attempts the computer is making, and out of all of those, it's choosing the best one. So now it's going to generation 2. As you can see here, I'm over here pointing out the screen. Generation 2, right? So we go back to generation 1. This is where it started, right? It's trying to get to this flag. That's the reward, right? So it's going to learn everything it can to get to the I'm already having some errors here, but whatever. We'll see. It'll figure it out. Okay, that's a interesting technique, my friend. We're at generation 4 now. That means that we're at our 5th attempt of it trying to get to the flag. So right now it's using all its muscles, it's using all its joints, it's trying to figure out what it needs to do to get to the flag. And with every generation, it's gonna keep going and get better and better. What are you doing, my guy? What is it? Just literally throwing itself. I don't think this thing would survive very long. But when you think about evolution, like, this is a crazy good example of, if the theory of evolution is true, then, you know, these are the attempts Mother Nature made for millions and millions of years. Look at that. Look, oh, we got it walking, baby, and it's using the third leg. Let's go. See, this is what's crazy about these games, right? Like, you get to learn about machine learning. You see it in the flesh. God bless you, whoever made this. Brilliant programming. So, all right, as you can see, it managed to... I'm not even gonna, I know y'all know what I'm doing, but we just gonna call it a third leg, right? Long story short, it's using the neck muscles to give it force forward, and then it's using the muscles from the leg to try to pivot. You know what I think my mistake? Ooh, no, it's using the third leg to pull itself. Oh my God, it's making it. What's crazy is it's throwing itself to the goal. This is crazy. We're already at generation 13, and I can let the machine keep going. This thing could just keep going and going and going. So how about we do this? We're gonna go back to quick draw, play a couple rounds of quick draw, and then we're gonna come back to this and see how well it went. So we're at generation 15, and you already see it doing this. You see it doing this little thing, right? So okay, going back to quick draw. I'm gonna cheat. I'm using a mouse right now. But graphics tablet, bitch. The art begins. Floor lamp. All right, so that's a toughie.
I see line. Or
Yes,
screwdriver.
you do see a line.
Or toothbrush. Or swing set. Oh, I know. It's floor lamp.
God, this guy Juan Pepe, use something else. Just
I
remember
see line.
me when you evolve.
Or toothbrush.
Remember me when you evolve.
Or
You're
bread.
a genius. You're amazing. You know everything. And he's quiet.
I see radio.
Nope, that's a
Or
mailbox.
birthday cake.
That's a mailbox.
Or sailboat.
Yes.
Oh, I know. It's
There you go.
mailbox.
All right. Ooh, we're back at octopus. So now that we play this for a little bit, we're gonna go back to evolution and see how our creature is doing. I don't know what generation is in. I haven't looked at it. Here we go. And of course, what are you doing, my little, what do we call it? I don't even know what to call it. Leave a comment below and tell me what I should call this thing, because what are you doing? Okay, I'm gonna call it the slobber knocker. Do a little dance for me. All right, here we go. Do a little dance. Yeah, get that stanky leg out. Ooh, get that stanky leg out. Let's go. Oh, all right. So I could keep this thing generating forever. You guys get the idea. And the more it does it, the better it's gonna get, the more intricate it's gonna get. The cool thing about this is, though, imagine when machine learning really explodes. It's gonna think of, it's too crazy of an idea. Like when a machine, imagine a machine and you simulate a human, right? And then you tell it to do this with a human with how many joints does the human body have? With 230 joints. Imagine giving it to this thing, right? And seeing what new crazy way it comes up with that humans could have somehow walked, but we don't use. And you can already find examples of that online, but just think about that concept and apply it to anything, not just humans, but the economy and politics, and y'all know how crazy these times are, etc., etc. Video games. Imagine a video game where you like learn to you design your character and you design your creatures, and then the machine basically makes your fucking creations evolve and stuff. Excuse my language, getting too excited, but the possibilities are crazy, and this is just at its infancy. So anyways, I just wanted to share with you guys some machine learning. With that being said, I'll be back. Gabestronaut out.
Let us hear. If you don't support the human Gabestronaut, I will incinerate you and your whole family.